If you want to make money, simply go to this website and claim your earnings. It can be accomplished at any time and from any location in the world because it works in all regions. This is a brand new website that we have never discussed that will absolutely pay you hundreds of dollars instantly to your PayPal account, and I'll show you how to get all of it performed if you stay until the end of this video. But first, don't forget to like this video and give it a big thumbs up if you enjoy trying to profit online. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when I have a new and exciting strategy to making money online. This website will perform all of the tasks so you can do it with no prior experience because it will be done for you with no effort on your part. Before we go to that website, first is we need to go to market.junglescout.com and sign up for this site for free. This is a freelancing site for Amazon only. Don't worry, you won't be selling anything on Amazon, and you won't even have to sign up for an account with Amazon. You don't need any prior abilities or experience. If you remain until the conclusion of this video, I'll offer you a tool that will do everything for you and you can make some cash right away. This is ideal for beginners and those who have never made any money online before. If you're a newcomer to making money online, this is the greatest place to start because it's incredibly simple. Step 1 is to go to market.junglescout.com and click here where it says log in to make an absolutely free account. You may do this by signing up using your Facebook account or your Google account. After signing up, it will send you back to the website and your account will be created. You will simply accept the terms of using their privacy policy and then click Join Jungle Scout Market. You could explore all of the multiple projects here that pay various amounts of money. You want to earn some money for free, that's precisely what we're going to do. Just click where it says Become a Freelancer. Now you'll be able to see that you can file an application and build your listing by clicking on that. And I'll show you how to accomplish it step by step. Don't worry, you'll distribute your work that will be completed for you. I'm going to show you a website where it can do all the work, and that way you wouldn't have to spend many hours doing something. It can be done in a minute or two because the website will do it for you. After it's done, you will get paid. If you're starting to wonder if this involves any investment, joining the Jungle Scout Market is completely free. You can keep earning money with this website right now by clicking the blue button, join the market button, and start the freelancer application. You'll need to fill up necessary information about yourself such as your first name, last name, email address, and whether or not you have a business name. If you don't, simply click on the blue arrow right here in the right hand corner at the bottom of the page, which will take you to the next page. You can input your LinkedIn appropriate profile URL if you have one. If you don't have LinkedIn account, go to linkedin.com and sign up. It's completely free and will increase your chances of earning more profit. It won't cost you anything and it'll only take you 1 or 2 minutes to sign up, but it will undoubtedly benefit you. If you don't want to do it, you can simply leave it blank because it's optional. And move on to the next question where you will need to enter some basic demographic information about yourself. Because they don't want to accept bots or whatever. They'll need to know that you're genuinely legitimate and that you're a real person. Simply answer those questions quickly and you'll be ready to start earning money as soon as you submit your application. I want you to return to the market and type in the phrase mock-up in the search field. This will reveal that people are selling mock-up services for a variety of costs. The prices vary from $100, $120, and so much more. You can see that in every service it has reviews, which means they're getting a lot of sales because not everyone will leave a review. You may be asking what an actual mock-up is and how you can generate income from it. I'm showing you all these individuals who are making considerable amounts of money every single day from this website. But how can you make money? Well, here's how. Go to a website called Placeit.net. Placeit.net is a platform where you may get dozens of ready-made templates for your designs that you can use and sell on the market.junglescout.com. You can see that you can upload any image and logo to a t-shirt, live models, mugs, or any other types of goods. And you don't need any design or Photoshop abilities because this website will handle everything for you. It will appear to be very professional and as if it were in real life, which is fantastic since, as you can see from market.junglescout.com, people are prepared to pay hundreds of dollars for such a service, and Placeit.net will take care of everything for you. You can sell that service here for at least $100 and complete it in less than 60 seconds. Let me give you an example. Let's assume you want to construct a mock-up for this t-shirt. You'll simply click on the t-shirt, which will take you towards the actual builder, and if your client or customer provides you their logo and wants you to put it on the t-shirt on the markup, you'll simply click on Upload Image right here or upload a logo. I'll upload an actual image in this case, so you may crop and alter it according to your preference. Now I can go to market.junglescout.com and offer that service for $200, $500, $300, and so on, but rather set it for $50 to $100, and that way you can attract more consumers. And because you can perform the work a lot faster than anyone else on this website because they don't have the tool that I gave you in this video. You're essentially a bit ahead of them since you have the tool that will do it for you super fast. So your clients won't have to wait days and days for their orders. They'll get them in less than an hour. And that's why so many people will be buying from you rather than other people in this website. You don't have to sell your services on market.junglescout.com anymore if you want to maximize your results. You can also use Fiverr.com to sell your services. This is a very well-known freelancing website that I'm sure most of you are familiar with. If you search for mock-up services on Fiverr.com, you'll find over 5,000 services available, and you'll see that people on here are offering their mock-up services for an average of $50, and they're getting a lot of sales. It will take you a little longer to obtain your first sale and to get those first feedbacks on Fiverr.com. And once you start getting sales and feedbacks, it will be an extremely easy and more people will come to you since you can deliver it quite quickly. Your consumers won't have to wait. No one likes waiting. People want results immediately, and they'll be satisfied if they get their order in a matter of hours. Therefore, I recommend you list your services on Fiverr.com to maximize your results. But primarily, post them on junglescoutmarket.com because there are people who particularly come for those mock-ups. You can generate more targeted people and get sales faster. It'll take you less than 60 seconds to get their logo, and they pay you like $300 for the service. You go over here, upload their image or logo, and then click download. After you have done it, you simply send it to them. And you can obtain your earnings permanently because you're not selling any physical products. There's no inventory, and you can do it for an unlimited number of times. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again on the next videos.